P-pop, di ba? So, siguro mag-share lang po ako ng interesting fact. For us, honestly, this exact venue, siguro, I think it was like, maybe 5 years, 6 years ago or something, baka more. During that time, no one really actually considered or know anything about P-pop. So we were roasted by a lot of medias, and they told us, "How are you gonna introduce P-pop to the world or to the Philippines?" And right now, siguro sabihin ko lang, but during those times, unplanned siya, na parang they were stereotyping us na copycats. So, nagkaroon pa kami ng konting discussion. How are we going to call ourselves, di ba? So, I told everyone na media, yung mga parang interviews namin, I said, P-pop po. P-pop po yung tawag sa amin. Kasi ginagawa kami K-pop Filipino. Which is very, syempre for us, in a way, we respect it. Syempre, we respect all genres and we get inspirations from them din naman. We're not gonna deny that. But
That's true though. That's really true. SB90 never said that we don't like K-pop. Even Josh just said that we got a lot of inspiration from K-pop, but it doesn't mean that we are fully copying K-pop.
syempre, yung parang feeling na na-stereotype ka, it hurts us. Kasi we're Filipinos, di ba? And then, ayun, I think right now, tulad nga nasabi ko, it's given. We don't really have to say a lot or it's more than enough for us na na-introduce namin siya na na-inspire namin yung mga tao to join this movement. And siguro